Hello everyone, welcome to PrepFuture Learning. My name is Amit Mandal and I am the instructor for this Python SQL practical series. In practical number 9, we have to write a program to print the n multiples of a given number. So we will first go to our browser, then search for Colab, open Google Colab, then we can use new notebook. So this is our practical number 9. I will rename it as practical number 9. I can write practical number 9, write a program to So we have to write a program to print first n multiples of a given number. So first we will define a function to print the first n multiples of a given number. So for this I have to define def, then I will take a variable name called print multiples, then I will take a number comma n, then colon, then I will start a for loop for I in range, and range will start from 1 and it will go to n plus 1. So after this I put a colon here, then I will take a variable called multiple equal to number into I. So then I will get print. So this I will use formatted string f and this, then I will get curly braces here and I will put number, then I will put a sign, multiple sign, and I will put a curly braces and I will write I in that, then equal to, then I will get this multiple. So number into I is equal to our multiple, and I will close this formatted string. So once done, I will then input the number and the value of 1. So I will write number enter the number, n equal to int, input, enter the value of n, then we have to check if n is non-negative. If n is less than equal to 0, then it will print is enter a positive value. For n. If n is not is positive, then it will print I will again use this formatted string. The first n multiples of number so we can just print multiples number n. So I'm calling out the function. So now if I execute this program, pressing shift plus enter, so it is asking me to enter a number. So suppose if I want I'm entering number 5, enter the value of 5. So if I enter 5, then I will get this 25 into 1 multiple. So some mistake is there. So let's check. Okay, so this has to be in curly braces. Curly braces will give the value, else it will type as string only. Let's execute this one more time. So I'm getting this 25 and then enter the value of n 5. Now 25 into 1 25, 25 into 2 50, 25 into 3 75. So this way, if I again re-execute it by pressing shift plus enter, I can suppose if I type some 125 and in this value I will place suppose 20. I press enter, then I will get this 125 table of 125 till 20. So I hope you are getting this practical number 9. Thank you very much.